Mastering English phrases. Understanding, to make good time. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that might puzzle non-native speakers. To make good time. It's not about crafting a clock or controlling the hours, but this phrase has everything to do with efficiency and speed. Get ready to add another expression to your fluency toolkit. At its core, to make good time refers to completing a journey or task faster than expected or within a reasonable amount of time. It's often used when discussing travel. For example, if you're driving from one city to another and you arrive earlier than anticipated, you might say, "We made good time." Now let's see how "to make good time" is used in sentences. 1. We made good time on our road trip and arrived before sunset. 2. Despite the traffic, we managed to make good time to the airport. These examples illustrate that the phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts where speed and efficiency are involved. Be cautious not to confuse "to make good time" with directly related to punctuality or time management. It's specifically about the duration it takes to complete a journey or task, not just being on time. Enhance your vocabulary by learning synonyms for this phrase. You can use 1. To be ahead of schedule. 2. To be on the fast track. 3. To speed up. Each of these can convey a similar sense of efficiency and swiftness in the right context. Congratulations! Now you know how to use "to make good time" like a native. This phrase is a handy tool in your language arsenal, especially when discussing travel and efficiency. Keep practicing, and soon, making good time in your language journey will be a regular part of your conversations. See you in the next lesson.